Still confused whether you should go for FBA or Easy Ship on Amazon in the UAE or Saudi Arabia? You're not alone. But picking the wrong one can actually kill your products and your product's chances of succeeding on Amazon. So in this video, I'll be breaking down all of the options and giving you 2 actionable tips to use right now to make a decision. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider, and since 2019 we've been supporting sellers on Amazon in the Middle East, particularly Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. So let's get started by talking about what is FBA. As you probably already know, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Step number 1 would be you would send your inventory over to the Amazon fulfillment centers, wherever you intend to sell. But for the purposes of this video, let's say in the UAE or Saudi Arabia. Amazon will handle the storage, picking, packing, delivery, and customer service for shipping once a customer orders the product and in general. This means you will have faster delivery. Now, having your products stored in Amazon FBA means faster delivery, you will have the Prime badge, and you will certainly have higher conversions. However, you do need to pay for storage and fulfillment. That's why the FBA model is perfect for lightweight products, fast-moving products, and sellers that don't want to handle the fulfillment themselves. What is Easy Ship? Now, I'm calling it Easy Ship instead of FBM or Fulfillment by Merchant because Easy Ship is the best option under the FBM system, which is Fulfillment by Merchant, which is, you guessed it, where you do the fulfillment. So you don't send any inventory. The inventory is stored with you, either at home, in your office, or in your warehouse. Once an order is placed, you have to prep it. However, Amazon will dispatch a courier to wherever your address is in order to pick up the package and then deliver it over to the customer. Hence why it's called Easy Ship. The cool thing is you will have full control over your inventory and you don't have to pay any extra fees for fulfillment, but you do need to do the fulfillment on a daily basis. So this option is best for heavy, bulky, low volume, and maybe made-to-order products. Okay, now before we proceed and talk about the actionable tips, I want to remind you that the Amazon Sellers Society supports sellers with everything related to the operations of their day-to-day business on Amazon, even from supporting you with launching your products on Amazon. You can find more information about our programs. We'd be so happy to work with you and support you on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Make sure that you check the description box of this video for a lot of more free actionable advice. Actionable tip number 1, use Amazon's FBA revenue calculator. Yes, Amazon, if you check right now inside of your Amazon Seller Central, does have a revenue calculator that can assist you to understand what would be the fees if you wanted to do FBA, and then you can kind of identify whether or not you can actually sell using FBA. So if you log in to Amazon Seller Central, you simply click on Revenue Calculator, you'll be taken to this page where you can select and search a product that is in your current catalog, or you can define a product by adding all of the dimensions and information. This calculator is so that you can understand what are your fees. And remember, FBA fees are based on the size and weight of your product, so you need to make sure that you add the correct information. So as an example, this is a product. Let's utilize this product, which is being sold by this account. We can check and see what is currently happening. So here is the breakdown of all of the fees. Mostly we're looking at 3 main fees. We're looking at the referral fee, which you have to pay regardless of what the fulfillment method is. Reminder that the referral fee is a percentage of the selling price. So the price of the product is 49 dirhams and 50 fils. If I click here, I'll see that it's actually 15% referral fee. The category is home. So it's 7.43 fils. Certainly, if I change the price, the fee is also going to change, of course. Now, with that being said, what is the fulfillment cost? The fulfillment cost is 9 dirhams 50, no matter what the selling price is, because the fulfillment cost is a service and it's based solely on the size and weight of the product. If I click here, I'll see further information. The product size tier-wise is standard parcel. The weight is 280 grams with all of the information right here. Now, what about the storage cost? This storage cost is on a monthly basis, and it's 42 fills, not that high really. Specifically, if the product is fast moving, then you don't have to pay storage costs over a long period of time. So the concept is, when a customer here is ordering the product for 49 dirhams and 50 fills, Amazon is charging, no matter what the fulfillment system is charging 7.43 dirhams. But if Amazon is doing the storage, all of the picking, packing, everything, then they're also going to take 9 dirhams 50. Now, if we look at only this, it would make much more sense for you to say, no, I'll do the fulfillment myself. But let's look at actionable tip number 2. And actionable tip number 2, that is check your competitors. You know, when we sell products on Amazon, we need to figure out what's best for the customer and not necessarily what's best for us as sellers. So the main thing would be to log in to Amazon as a customer and utilize the best search term that you would use to identify your product. And then check the top 5 to 10 competitors and see if they are offering FBA or FBM, because this is exactly what a regular customer will do. Remember, the opportunity of selling FBA would mean that the product will arrive the same day to the customer. And speed is something that customers really like. Additionally, if the customer is a Prime member, which the majority of customers in the UAE and Saudi Arabia are, then they will not pay for any shipping for the product. So that's also an additional benefit. So basically, all you need to do is to check your competitors. If the majority of the competitors are doing FBA, then probably that's also what you need to do. But if you find that no, like a lot of sellers are doing a mixture or just doing FBM or Easy Ship, then you can get away with doing Easy Ship yourself. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like this video while you're at it, and leave me any comments or questions in the comment section below. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information.